Today I'm sharing a really quick video on how to cut flowers and then roll them to make some embellishments for spring crafting. At the end of the video you shall see the finished products I put them on.
Now, it's allowing me, it says I can do it with a fine point, but I don't know if that works. I do know that it's going to work well with the fabric cutting wheel, so that's what I'm going to use. So it comes out here. I'm going to just give it a quick check to see if it's got some cut lines. Seems to have some right in here, so I'm going to go ahead and say it's okay. Pull it out. Let's see what we got here. There's 2 flower circles. Okay. I'll make some more exactly the same way. So this week I'm making some crafts for spring, including these little bunnies, and they've got these little flowers on here, rolled flowers. And I'm going to be making a cushion that has some as well. So I decided to do a separate post on how to make the flowers. So what you want to do, you just get a piece of fabric. Scrap fabric's fine, right? And you want to iron interfacing onto the back. It doesn't have to be heavy, just something to give it a little more strength. Then you whip it through the Cricut. On Design Space has all sorts of different patterns and cut files you can use. And the only other thing I have to tell you is right here, you want to use the straight edge for the bottom and let the scalloped edge be the top of your flowers, your flower petals. And then you want a set of tweezers. I wish I had a bigger set, but I don't, so I'm going to work with what I've got. So put that there. Now, every once in a while, the only thing you're doing is you're wanting to make sure that the bottom's even as you can get it. So I'm going to just give it a little dab of hot glue occasionally to help hold it. You can make it tighter or more open. I'm going to make this one more open. Again, making sure that bottom's even or staying as even as I can. These things are so pretty. Okay, now see the bottom is quite even. I'm going to give it the fast little bit of glue right here. Now, this little spot on the bottom gets folded up and around the bottom of your flower like that. So I'm going to put it down. Pinch here. There's our flower. Okay. With the Cricut, I used a leaf file. And I cut that too. And I'm going to put this on a bunny rabbit. So there's my flowers and there's my leaves. Okay, I'll do it again.